Joey eats a lot. You know, this is one thing that bugs me. Just freaking get the small one. All right, guys, so we just got to the back of the back of his seat, and he had gym clothes. So I'm pretty sure he went to the gym and he was sweating, pouring sweat, and I just touched that, and that is disgusting. That thing is moist. But this gym bag, you guys can see it has clothes right there. That thing was moist. Oh, he also has a towel down here. But all of this is just causing foul scent. So, and drawers. He has underwear. Just clean those up. But let's remove everything out of here, put everything outside, and let's transform this interior. Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys. Today, we're gonna be going over how to rejuvenate a great smell in your ride, because we have a brand new product for you guys. We actually have 3 brand new products. One is going to be the 3-pack hanging air fresheners of Black Frost. This is customer favorite, so we listened to you guys wanted the 3-pack, so now we have that. We also have the Cherry Blast one, Cherry Blast in 3-pack as well. And one of the newest things that just hit the Chemical Guys line is another vent clip. This is Happy Trail. Happy Trail smells fantastic. But before we get to just stick it into the car, have it smelling great, we need to do a crucial step, which is clean it, protect it, and remove any foul odors from the carpet, from the seats, from the center consoles before we get to pop these bad boys open. So I'll put this back into my caddy just so I can keep them in a secure place. And today I have variations. Do I want it to smell like Black Frost? Do I want it to smell like cherry? Or do I want it to smell like Happy Trail? And one thing about this Denali is it's actually Joey's. Joey, I'm sorry, but it smells horrible in here. So before we get into all that, I'm gonna start off by cleaning up the whole entire front. Then I'll repeat the same steps in the back. And as simple as that, we'll get back into applying a brand new air freshener to the ride. Step number 1 is going to be removing this dashboard cover. Now this dashboard cover, it does a great job at holding dust, but we need to clean everything. So I will put this on the table, put that right there for right now. Now we have an exposed dashboard. And one thing I want you guys to see is Joey actually has glue marks all over the place. So we are gonna make sure we clean up everything like that. We'll put everything back. So we'll make sure we put everything back how it was. But step number 1 is, one thing you always want to do is clean up the surface. And today, we have 2 different types. We have the wipes and we have the spray form. Now, how do you actually use the spray form? Spray form is simply spray onto a towel, wipe it on. So we're gonna start off with that, and then the wipes, I'm actually going to gift it to him, leave it in his glove box. So like this, whenever he has downtime or his interior gets minor dusty, he can just touch it up with this. So I will also get a microfiber towel. This microfiber towel is a workhorse microfiber towel. Step number 1, remove the tag. And as you guys can see, I have a full quick load carrying caddy with all interior needs. Now I am not going to be using every single product on this interior. Obviously I do have Total Interior, I do have Silk Shine, Matte Renew. Matte Renew is for rubber floor mats. We don't have rubber floor mats, but this is a great caddy to have in your Chemical Guys arsenal or in your trunk of your car so that you could detail on the go. So step number 1 is grab our Total Interior, put it on spray mode, and Total Interior works great to clean up all interior surfaces such as vinyl, rubber, plastic, dashboards, navigation screen. So you'll go up here, you'll just go in there and just dust it out right off. Now a lot of people does have wood grain around the whole entire car or carbon fiber, and the number 1 question we get on our social media is, how do I actually take care of my carbon fiber? And the answer is simple as spray and wipe formula. Total Interior, you can use on carbon fiber, wood grain, anything that's on the interior you could use it on. Step number 2 is we do have this navigation screen. This navigation screen, obviously it is a stereo and it's aftermarket. So how do you actually clean it? You guys can see it has residue all over it. Just get Total Interior, go in there, wipe off the residue, and just make sure you remove everything. Now, next up, you guys might be like, Henry, this interior is not dirty, but I'm here to expose Joey. Sorry, I couldn't get it out of the way. Click this. He has all of this filth and grime and gunk sitting on here. So if I actually rub my finger, there's a lot of filth sitting all over here, as well as the steering column, the steering wheel. Simple, just grab my Total Interior, spray it and wipe it down. Now, the reason why we always recommend cleaning your interior before adding any type of scent, hanging air freshener or any sprayable air freshener or vent clip, the reason being is you always want to clean it is, 1, you need to think about this. Say you buy a coffee, right? you're driving to work in the morning, like Joey had his coffee right here. Now that coffee has a scent. That coffee is going to linger, the scent of the coffee is going to linger onto the fabric. Luckily, we don't have fabric seats, and I'll go in there. Or especially if you're dealing with like a person that smokes in the car, like cigars or anything, then all that smoke is going to land on the fabric, and that's when you need a carpet extractor. But today, by doing these minor steps, we're going to ensure we remove all the filth and grime away from the surface of the vehicle. Anyways, guys, let me just wipe down this whole entire filthiness around this whole entire center console. Once I'm done doing that, I'll get back to you guys to show you guys how simple and fast and easy it is to do cleaning and protection to your leather. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we just finished cleaning up the whole entire front end, such as the center console, the cup holders are now clean, as well as the dashboard. And one thing I just want to mention to you guys, this glue is not going to come off with our product. So this glue is permanently on there, as well as these glues over here on the dashboard. So before you guys start commenting down below, you forgot to remove the glue, I understand. That's what I'm clarifying with you guys. Next up on this detail is going to be removing filth and grime from leather seats. I don't know what kind of stain that is away from the surface of the vehicle. Now, I'll get another clean microfiber towel, a brand new one. I will remove the tag. And our next product we'll be using is going to be a cleaner and protectant. Now, this cleaner and protectant is called sprayable leather. Sprayable leather is a great product to have. You can use it on your purses, you can use it on anything that's leather. You want to spray it on there or directly onto a towel. One, I like to spray directly onto a towel instead of directly onto a surface. The reason being is I want to avoid overspray. Now, we do have a concentrated spot that we need to take care of, those white stains, remove them away from the surfaces of the leather. But how do you actually use it? First of all, make sure it is on spray mode. Second of all, shake the product. Now, sprayable leather. All right, so what sprayable leather is going to do is going to rejuvenate your leather. And I'm doing a generous amount of sprayable leather onto my towel. We're gonna go to the area and work it into the leather seats. Now, what this is going to allow me to do, it's going to allow me to remove filth, grime, debris, as well as leaving behind vitamin E and aloe. So these stains, I need to see how deep they are or how heavy they are on this leather seat. And if it's super filthy, I might need to get total interior and bring out a much more heavy cleaner compared to sprayable leather. And that's perfectly fine, because whenever you are dealing with leather or any type of surface, you always want to start off with the least aggressive and work your way up. Because I don't want to bring a super heavy cleaner onto a surface that can simply remove it. But unfortunately, these stains are fully on there. Wait, now that I look at it, there's stains all over the place. It's down over here. Okay, so we have our hands full right now. I'll leave that towel right there. I'll grab a secondary towel. So now I got a secondary towel. I'll get my total interior. Instead of getting my total interior spray, I'm actually going to switch it up. I'm going to get my wipes, avoid the towel, save a towel, and just come in here and scrub out these stains using total interior wipes. Immediately you start seeing total interior wipes is allowing me to remove the filth and grime and stains away from the seat. So if I actually grab it and show it to you guys, it's dirty. I see my camera guy making some faces right now, and that's the same exact faces I want to make, because I don't know what this stain is, but I trust Joey. I'll come back with a clean towel and just buff off the residue. Now the stains are completely gone, but the leather seat does not have any vitamin E or aloe in it. So that's when I'll come back with my sprayable leather, spray some on there, come back to a leather seat, and just massage it in and work in vitamin E and aloe to the surface. Hello? So now that everything has been cleaned, Now you guys know how to clean your whole entire interior as well as your leather seats. Now it's time for me to do the rest of this interior. Once I'm done doing the rest of this interior, it's time to put up either a hanging air freshener or a vent clip. I'll be right back. All right, so we just finished vacuuming the whole entire car. It looks great, but Joey, come over here. Yeah, Joey, Joey's over there, so we're gonna get Joey. Come on, quit running, Joey! All right, so now that my camera guy chased down Joey, we actually have Joey here. So Joey, we got options today. We just finished cleaning your whole entire interior.
Is this new?
Yeah, so this is brand new. So fan favorites, 3-pack air fresheners. In the beginning of the video, I mentioned some, we made it, but now that we did everything to your interior, now it's time to choose your scent.
All right.
Do you want Black Frost? You hold them, look at them.
All right.
You want
it's like a pamphlet.
Cherry Blast?
Okay.
Or you want a brand new vent clip air freshener, which is Happy Trail.
Can I choose them all?
You could choose them all, but I wouldn't recommend you put them all over the place because then you'll have your car smell like Black Frost mixed with Cherry Blast mixed with this. So
for sure, I need to style my interior, so I definitely want one of these.
Okay.
And then I definitely want to keep these for in the future, so whenever I want to reamp on some fresh scent, I have 2 different scents to choose from.
Do you want to try to open it up so you see how fast and easy it is? And meanwhile, he opens it up. If you guys do have or pick these up, there's actually a scratch and sniff. So scratch. Beautiful.
All right. Do you want to
So,
teach me how to use this?
Yeah.
All right. I'm assuming that's just those 2, right?
Yeah. So we got rid of the packaging. All you need to do is just pull down the sleeve. After you pull down the sleeve, sorry, I have gloves on. Ooh, this.
I know. I got to wait for that already.
That smells fantastic.
All right.
So put this back in my caddy.
And then what do I do? Just slide this.
Just slide that in.
backwards. Oh, there you go.
There you go. You could actually adjust it whether you want it vertical or sideways. You know that, right?
Yeah, I did.
Fun fact.
I think.
Do you not know how to stick it in?
I'm nervous.
You don't know how to stick it in?
I don't know how to stick it in. Can you help me?
All right.
I'm nervous.
So there's a little tab. Go in. I'm nervous too.
You need some help there, buddy? I'm gonna hold it for you.
It doesn't go. Yay! I'm kidding. So we finally slid it in, and now it's just time, Joey, to come here, stick it in, and you're good to go. So now whenever you turn on your AC, it's going to smell phenomenal. And obviously, if you do want to use one of these, pull it out. The rest in the back stay in place. They actually don't come out. Peel it away, hang it on your rearview mirror, hang it up basically anywhere, office,
a blinker.
yeah, anywhere. So guys, if you guys do want to pick up whether it's Happy Trail Vent Clip Air Freshener, the 3-pack Air Freshener, Cherry Blast, Black Frost, or you want to clean up your interior, check out the links down below and it'll take you to chemicalguys.com right now and you can find all these products for your interior needs on there. Or you could drive down to your local detail garage and pick them up there as well. As always, I'm Henry and that's Joey, and finally his car smells great because this car smells like poo. But now
Don't know what that means.
but now his car smells great. Before it smelled very bad. Your gym clothes, yeah. I touched it, it was moist, don't like it. You had coffee, you had Cheetos. I don't know
Cheetos?
Hot Cheetos?
Really?
Yeah, you had hot Cheeto fries, you had Rice Krispies, you had more chips. Anyways, guys, catch them there. We'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage, and I am out.